Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set the default theme in Messenger app. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook Messenger. So once you open Messenger, you simply need to open this conversation and then you need to click on this icon in the top right and then you need to click on theme. So once you are on that page, you simply need to scroll down and you simply need to, in color and grading, you simply need to select the first one and click on select. So this is the default theme and it is now activated. Let me show you in any conversation. Here you can see that. So this is a process by which you can activate default theme in Messenger. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.